eyes are primed, I'm going to move on to the star of the show, which is going to be the eyes. I'm using two products today. One is going to be the e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette, and the other one is going to be some metallic eyeshadow by e.l.f. And I really like these little palettes, you guys, because, and their metallic eyeshadows, because first of all, they're very affordable. Like this eyeshadow quad was only $3, I believe, and you get you get 4 nice shades right here. So what you guys see me doing right here is going in with that tannish brown for the transition shade. I accidentally deleted that clip, so I just wanted to let you guys know what I was doing. And I'm adding this before I add my metallic shade. The next shade that I'm going to go into is this metallic color right here. And this is kind of like, it's almost like a gunmetal-y color. Oh, wow, this is really pretty. I like this. This is very pretty. I like this. And guys, this is going to be a very easy look that anybody could do. As you guys know, most of my looks, I do try to make them like pretty easy. And I'm just using like a flat brush to do that. And I'm sweeping it pretty much on my mobile lid, like, and this is very pigmented. You could wet your brush if you wanted to, but I'm not going to, because we are going to be we're going to be wetting this. So I mean, we're going to be like putting the liquid on top, so I think it'll be fine. But this is very pretty. I love this. And you're going to leave some room on the outer edge. You're not going to take that product all the way to the edge. You're going to leave some room, like how I've done. All right, so when you get done, you should have something that looks sort of like what I have. Next, we are going to take our brush that we used on the transition, and we're going to add like just a little bit more transition just to blend the transition and the color that we applied on our lid. We just wanted to be more of like a smooth finish, because when we packed that glitter, it kind of created like a little harsh line, and we really don't want that. Then we're going to take this brown right here in the palette, and we are going to tap that on the outer portion of our lid. And that's just going to create like a little bit of dimension, give us kind of like that cat eye little effect. And if you wanted to, like if you wanted to make this like even more a little bit dramatic, you could add black as well, but I'm not going to do that because I really don't want to. But you could. This is more like sparkle, but make it soft still. That I have packed all the colors on, I'm going to go back in with the sparkly color and pack that on my eyes some more. Because even though we are gonna like still like put the wet sparkly color on, I still want it to be as sparkly as possible, and I did a lot of blending, so I don't want to lose like any of my sparkly at all. So now I'm going to take this e.l.f. liquid shadow, and this is what it looks like. I hope this turns out the way I'm thinking, you guys. Normally, I hope this turns out the way I'm thinking, you guys. Normally, like, liquid shadows, like, bring stuff to life, but you just never know. And with these e.l.f. shadows, you want to make sure your eye is, like, relaxed, because they do clump up sometimes. I don't know if other liquid eyeshadows do that, but these do that. And you want to, like, spread them out, if that makes sense. Like, clump it, but spread it out at the same time. Like, I don't know if I'm making any sense. But if you guys can see what I'm doing, like, I'm like dabbing it basically. That's kind of what you want to do, because this formula is like sticky kind of. And what I like to do is go back over and like smooth it out with my brush, because it can give you like a patchy effect if you don't. And I don't know, that is one thing I don't like about these. I don't know if that is like just the thing with these liquid shadows, or if that's the thing with all liquid shadows, but it can give you like a patchy appearance. So I just go back and blend it. Like, I even add a little bit more of the original shadow that I use, and just like kind of blend it in together to get rid of that patchiness. And then I also go back in, we're going to take our other brush and we're going to like blend the edges out, which you kind of just have to play with it and just kind of blend and smear and blend and smear to get it like exactly how you want, because liquid eyeshadows can be like a little bit tricky to work with sometimes. But if you keep just like messing with it and blending it, the key is just blending it. If you keep like blending it and just going back and forth into your colors, you will get, it'll work out for you. All right, I'm pretty much satisfied with that. And I kind of do want like a little bit more brown peeking through. Like, I kind of do want the transition to pop out a little bit more. So I'm going to like blend it all out with the transition again, because I really like the contrast of the light brown against like the dark brown and the sparkly. I really like that. So I'm going to just go back and pop that color back in and make sure it is very visible. And I want to do a wing for you guys, but I cannot find my liquid liner to do a wing, so no wing today. But I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, kind of speed through that, and I'm going to finish up the rest of the face. I'll show you guys and pop in and show you what I'm using on the screen, but I'm going to do the rest of my face and pop on some lashes, and I will be right back in just a moment. So now what you guys see me doing is applying the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I really like this primer. It does a good job at smoothing out. And I am just doing this before I do my foundation routine. I'm not really going to go that much in detail about my foundation routine because I recently did a video on all the steps that I do to achieve my flawless base, foundation, and powder. So, and I pretty much do the same thing in every video and use the same products. So this part is going to be sped through, but I will leave all of the products that I use in the description box, as well as if you guys have any questions about anything, you can leave them below in the comment section. And I also want to say I really appreciate I can't talk. I really appreciate you guys being patient with me. This video was actually supposed to go up the week of Christmas, definitely before New Year's, because I'm gonna be honest, this was going to be like a New Year's Eve look, and I had other looks that I had planned to film for New Year's Eve, but I was having some technological equipment issues with my laptop and my phone, and trying to airdrop and get everything synced. It was just not working, and honestly I was really down and frustrated about it. So I just I did let it get the best of me, and I did take a break, but I'm back. I wasn't gonna post this video because it's late, but it's still you guys can still use this as a winter glam type of look because it's very soft. It's not overly sparkly or anything like that. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. I hope this editing is not too choppy for you guys either, because at the moment I'm still having the same technology issues, so I'm currently editing on my phone. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and stay tuned to see how I finish the look. And I want to show you guys a special product that I used on the end for my lips that I think you guys are gonna love. I recently got it in one of my Ipsy bags and I fell in love with it, and I will leave that product in the comments down below as well. And right here to the eyes, you guys, I'm just adding the transition shade right here across the entire bottom. And then on the bottom, on the outer edge, I'm going to add that dark chocolate brown that I put on the edges of my eye. Next, I'm going to move into my lips, which I'm just using the same liner that I always use, Chocolate Cheat Day. This is NYX Abu Dhabi Matte Lip Gloss. And then on top of that is the product I was telling you guys about, which I'm going to show you guys in just a moment. I recently received this product in my Ipsy bag. It is a lip gloss by Anastasia, and it is in the shade Moon Jelly. And I really love this lip gloss, and I think it is perfect for winter. It's so sparkly and pretty. You guys, I'm back. This is the finished look. I've got the eyes, the lips, everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you have not already for weekly beauty related videos. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I know that I'll see you on a soon to come video. So until the next time, my loves, take care. Bye bye.